Good morning, sir. My name is Shinji D.R. Boyes from BCS-3A. Today, I will be presenting about Windows System Security based on our PowerPoint. I will discuss account and password management, access control, Windows System Security settings, service security, terminal service, and startup programs. So first is the account and password management. So the definition here is to account and password management refers to managing user accounts and securing them with strong passwords to protect the computer from unauthorized access. So ang purpose niyan is to keep the system secure, prevent unauthorized users from accessing files, and to make sure only trusted users have administrator rights. So the step here is the first is the managing user accounts, no? So since lusrmgr.msc does not work in Windows 10 Home, so I use another method to access account settings. So Windows 10 Home does not include local users and groups. So I open Windows R, type NATPLWIZ, then press enter. So this shows all user accounts on the PC. Then step 2, checking accounts and remove unknown or unnecessary accounts, and make sure only trusted accounts have administrator access, and regular users should use standard accounts for safety. Then step 3, password and sign in options. So go to settings, then select account, then click the sign in option. So here I can change password, add PIN or biometric login, then enable multi-factor authentication. So strong password must contain letters, numbers, and special characters. The next is the access control. So definition is access control refers to controlling who can access files, folders, and system resources. So ang purpose niya is to protect important data and to limit file access. Then to secure shared folders. So the first step is the viewing shared folders, So press Windows R and type fsmgmt.msc, So stop sharing folders that you no longer need. So step 2, managing permissions. So right click the folder in properties and sharing, advanced sharing, then permissions, give read access when possible. So avoid giving a full control unless. So the next is the Windows System Security. So turning off automatic administrator logon. So this topic prevents Windows from logging in automatically without a password. So purpose niya is to avoid unauthorized access, then protect the PC if left unattended. So the steps here is, so first is press the Windows plus R, so type NATPLWIZ, then check so users must have enter username and password to use this computer. So this disables auto logon. Then checking startup programs, so definition. So next is the service security. So Service security means managing background Windows services that run automatically. So, ang purpose niya is to reduce attack surfaces and improve performance and disable risky or unused services. Then, steps here, so press Windows plus R and type services.msc. So here, so disable unnecessary services like remote registry, Xbox services or print spooler. So if no printer ka, then right click so select properties, then startup type mo siyang disabled or manual. So that's So next is the checking the terminal service. So definitions So terminal service remote desktop services enables remote connections to the computer. So purpose is to protect the PC from unauthorized remote access and manage remote connection settings. So steps is the open the Windows R, then type services.msc. So look for remote desktop services or remote desktop configurations, user mode port, directory. So disable them if you do not use the remote desktop.